Good morning guys!
Good morning!
Second day natin sa Kyrgyzstan. Andito tayo sa Dosman Hotel.
Yes.
Kamusta ang tulog?
Sobrang sarap.
Sobrang sarap kasi ang tayo mong tinagay.
Nagising na rin ako sa alarm na 7 o'clock.
May bayad ba charger na?
Wala. Ay meron. Yan guys, magbe-breakfast tayo. Tingnan natin ang breakfast sa Dosman. Breakfast na guys. Yan ang ating agahan dito. First breakfast sa Kyrgyzstan.
Ako kikinig kasi ngayon.
Mag-tsaka kayo, lagyan nyo ng jam. Para masubukan natin.
Ano naman to? Shoot ba? Shoot yan eh.
Hindi natin gusto mong tignan kapon. How's the breakfast?
I like it.
How's ang agahan nyo? Masarap ba? Masarap ba? Guys, nandito tayo sa Burana Tower.
Nagsalamin sa camera eh.
Tara na guys.
Hello mga kabagang. Hello vlog eh. Mga kabagang. Tayo naman. Hello mga kataba.
Ito na guys ang Burana Tower. Kailangan natin bumili ng ticket. Ito guys yung iba't ibang klase nilang bread. Ito yung kinain natin kagabi oh.
Years.
1,000 years. Oh.
1,000 years less 40 Pares ka dyan.
Everything you see here was found.
Can we touch?
Yes.
Hey, no.
How? The stones you can touch. This what is like behind the glass. This is the ancient city. Everything you see here was found here. Was digged here by archaeologists. It is everything mostly goes to the Karakhanid Empire, which was located here in 10th, 11th century. Actually, we Kyrgyz people came here around 13th, 14th century with the nomadic culture. Originally, we were living in Siberia, in Russia. So yeah, but here as well, I mean the culture is mixed, everything is mixed. And if you see, it was very developed civilization. And this person was born here, which is his name is Yusuf Balasavan. In the ancient times, the person was named after the city. From, for example,
This is not like a tire, no?
Tire?
Stone tire?
Michelin, yeah.
Maybe.
Or maybe
For the wheel?
one of the...
Michelin, yeah. Michelin of the. No, I'm just kidding. It's mill.
Huh?
Mill.
Ah.
Yeah, hand mill.
Ah,
You just put another one on the top. Put the grain inside.
Yes, yes.
ah, kaya may gantong...
Yan na guys, ang magigiting umakyat sa Burana Tower. Ako hindi na nakaakyat. Mainit pre?
Hindi, matarik.
Matarik?
Buti hindi kayo sumama. Pero kaya.
Hindi, nagloko ko yung tiyan ko eh. Dito na tayo, dito sila.
Buti hindi kayo sumama pare. Mahirap kasi ganyan lang kakipot, tapos ganyan lang. Madilim.
Guys, bibili tayo ng apple sa road.
Wait.
Sobrang mate?
Hey, come here.
Okay.
Wait.
Post with the music like, guys.
Eat now.
Eat na. Okay.
Dancing in the moonlight, everybody.
Yeah,
Sarap.
apple.
Rosbot!
Yeah, it's like that. It's like you want to fight. Rock band.
Iba yung, ano nyo, yung skin niya, sarap.
Hindi sila nakita, hindi sila. Ayan. Paikot. Pati si...
How is that? Apple.
Good.
So sweet.
Sweet, yeah?
Oh, baby, when you talk like that.
Ano to pang ano ito?
Ay, it's okay na. Ito sa'yo, di ba? Ay, yes.
Yuko.
Dala mo naman.
Pre, look.
Ano yan? Yung ano?
Look.
Ano pulok?
Ano yan yung Uzbekistan food yan? Ito yung masarap na sila. Is this the trout? And guys, andito tayo sa Kokminok Canyon. This water coming from the mountain also?
Yes. All water here is coming from the mountain.
We are documenting.
Yung tour guide natin guys.
At least.
Nakagat na mosquito, nagpantal.
The biggest one was
This one.
At least we are documenting it para if ever something happens to you, it's not us.
We need to finish our tour first.
At least it's not us.
I'm bitten by mosquitoes.
Eh, kayo, di ba kayo naagat ng mga lamok dyan?
My guys are treating me.
Ayun, meron din ako lahat. Kailan
Actually, Issyk-Kul Lake is literally, if we translate Issyk-Kul, Issyk means from Kyrgyz, it means hot. And
Hot,
Kul, it
okay.
means lake. It's hot
Okay.
lake.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Hot lake, oh.
yeah, hot lake. For us, it's very hot lake. Yeah, it's salty, around 4 point something percent of the saltiness.
Why is it salty?
No one knows.
Oh,
Yeah, but it like obviously there are minerals somewhere in the deep place. Yeah, it is the second highest, biggest lake
in Kyrgyzstan or in the world?
worldwide.
Oh, okay.
Right. So it is 250 length
Kilometers?
kilometers. Yeah.
200.
Yeah, and in the widest place it's 60 kilometers wide.
Okay.
So sometimes in the sunny days you are even not able to see the opposite coast.
Okay. And guys, nandito na tayo sa Borshan Waterfalls.
Yeah.
Yan, ito ang view dito, may horseback riding. Tapos aakyat tayo doon. Napakalamig dito. And guys, aakyat tayo sa waterfalls. Kaya nyo ba?
Kakayanin.
Kakayanin para sa ekonomiya. Ano bro, kaya? Ano? Kaya pa?
Taas mo. Para makita kung gano'n ka sa atin.
Nung kami galing. Sa mga kumarit pare ko. Pagod na pagod na.
Nangyari kayo ba?
Ay, yung isa gumagapang.
Yung anak natin, oh.
Ay, yung anak nyo, naging baby ulit, gumagapa. Ano ba? Ito na guys, narating din natin ng Barshun Falls.
Barsha Oasis. Ay, Barsha.
Okay, diretso yan.
Hindi ko kaya. Dito ako.
Amazing! Really cold? Alisher? Pababa na tayo guys. Sulit ang pag-akyat.
Yes!
Buti na lang umakyat. Yung mga pupunta dito, magdala kayo ng panligo. Kasi sobrang sarap maligo, sabi nung tour guide namin. Pero napakalamig nga lang daw. Yan guys, yung tiyahin ni paring J. Mart, pinapunta niya dito, tinor niya. Nakaakyat naman, ayan, pero medyo masakit yung balakang. Kasi may kaidara na rin yan. Yan ang aming accommodation tonight guys. Yurt Hotel. Dito tayo mag-stay overnight. At ang Yurt Hotel. Yan, nandito tayo sa Ishikol Lake. Yan ang ating view. Hello guys, tapos na yung second day natin sa Kyrgyzstan. Kanina galing kami sa Burana Tower. Then nagpunta kami sa Bashkon Waterfall, yung nakapagandang view doon, sobrang taas. Then galing kami sa canyon din. Yung pa nakagat pa nga yung tour guide namin na ito, si Mr. Alisher, nakagat ng bubuyog ng lamok.
It's lamok. It's lamok. Lamok is mosquito.
So all in all, ano masasabi natin?
Today, the second day. Well, we're not done yet, but
Ang pinaka-the best sa atin ay Bashkon Waterfall?
yes.
For now.
For now, the best.
Number 1.
The best. Magandang climate, magandang
The
view.
climate, the view,
Yung ambience niya, maganda
the
talaga.
experience.
The experience. Kahit na naglakad kami. Ayan. Kaya ngayon, tatapusin natin ang araw natin sa
Ayan na.
pag-inom ng Kyrgyz.
Do the honor.
Do the honor, Mr. Alisher.
And this one?
This one is Russian.
Yeah. The Kyrgyz vodka.
Everyone is what?
No, only 3 of us.
3?
Yeah.
The other 2 guys still, I don't know where is that? Where is that
Yes.
guy?
Tagayan tayo ni Mr. Alisher.
Yeah, so
Okay.
who's the third one?
You.
No, so yes,
No?
I am okay with the beer.
Okay.
Because I'm driving in.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers first for
Hey,
Alisher.
just
Yeah.
do the cheers.
Antayin natin si Mr. Alisher. Kanya ay beer.
Well, you have a lot of glass.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers, guys. Welcome to Kyrgyzstan again.
Okay, thank
Thanks
you so
for
much.
coming.
Thank you.
It is really great to having you here.
Vodka night tayo, guys.
Yes.
Vodka night. Vodka night. Mr. Alisher. Beer night. Tagay pa! Hello guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa labas.
Sa labas naman ngayon.
Ayan.
Lasing na to pare, mapapasubo ka sa akin ngayon. Hanggang 4:30
Yan.
kaya kong minom.
Mga lasing na yan, no? Lasing na sa mojito. Pre, ubusin natin, pre, ha?
Ako pa pare, subukan mo.
Ayan.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ilang buwan ako hindi uminom. Ngayon lang ako minom. Hintayin natin ang sunrise ngayon. Walang papasok ng kwarto. Hayaan mo si Mari maghintay na maghintay.
Kwarto nila Tere at ni Jeff.
Ay, wow.
Sabi ako, pumasok sa sapatos ko.
This is your toilet. Can you open, please? Okay. The modern yurt.
Yeah, and here, but guys, it's usually we take off the shoes here. Like
Yeah.
Yeah, here.
Kaya hindi namin pinasok.
I'll open the car. Right?
Okay.
Wow.
Ay,
Yan ang
ng ribbon. Hindi mo kami kukunan pag pinat yung ribbon ng bagong ano namin.
Yurt Hotel. Royal Gate.
Aba, parang bolt. Bolt.
Ang container to.
Ito yung kila paring J-Mart. Doon sa kabila yung sa amin. Sobrang lamig ngayon. Ayan.
Uy.
Aba, iba yung ano namin dito. Buksan mo ilaw. Ay, wow.
Ay, wow.
May toilet. Ano yun doon sa loob? Kitchen?
CR?
Shower?
Shower.
Separate yung shower sa yung ano.
Powder room lang to.
Sa atin ba? Isa lang.
Pasok kayo dito. Huwag nang kunan yung bare. Ito na lang.
Oh, yun.
never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.